A quality circle is a group of workers who do the same or similar work, who meet regularly to identify, analyze and solve work-related problems. Normally small in size, the group is usually led by a supervisor or manager and presents its solutions to management. Where possible, workers implement the solutions themselves in order to improve the performance of the organization and motivate employees. Quality circles were at their most popular during the 1980s, but continue to exist in the form of Kaizen groups and similar worker participation schemes. Typical topics for the attention of quality circles are improving occupational safety and health, improving product design, and improvement in the workplace and manufacturing processes. The term quality circles was most accessibly defined by Professor Kaoru Ishikawa in his 1988 handbook, What is Total Quality Control? The Japanese Way, and circulated throughout Japanese industry by the Union of Japanese Scientists and Engineers in 1960. The first company in Japan to introduce quality circles was the Nippon Wireless and Telegraph Company in 1962. By the end of that year there were 36 companies registered with JUSE. By 1978 the movement had grown to an estimated 1 million circles involving some 10 million Japanese workers. Contrary to some people's opinion, this movement had nothing whatever to do with Dr. W. Edwards Deming or indeed Dr. Juran, and both were skeptical as to whether it could be made to work in the USA or the West generally. Quality circles are typically more formal groups. They meet regularly on company time and are trained by competent persons who may be personnel and industrial relations specialists trained in human factors and the basic skills of problem identification, information gathering and analysis, basic statistics, and solution generation. Quality circles are generally free to select any topic they wish. Quality circles have the advantage of continuity. The circle remains intact from project to project. History: quality circles originated in Japan in 1962. Kaoru Ishikawa has been credited with their creation. The Japanese Union of Scientists and Engineers coordinated the movement in Japan. The first circle started at the Nippon Wireless and Telegraph Company. The idea then spread to more than 35 other companies in the first year. By 1978 it was claimed that there were more than 1 million quality circles involving some 10 million Japanese workers. As of 2015 they operate in most East Asian countries. It was recently claimed that there were more than 20 million quality circles in China. Quality circles have been implemented even in educational sectors in India, and QCFI is promoting such activities. However, this was not successful in the United States, as the idea was not properly understood and implementation turned into a fault-finding exercise, although some circles do still exist. Don Dewar together with Wayne Riker and Jeff Beardsley established quality circles in 1972 at the Lockheed Space Missile Factory in California. Empirical studies of quality circles: in a structures fabrication and assembly plant in the southeastern U.S., some quality circles were established by the management, whereas others were formed based on requests of employees. Based on 47 QCs over a 3-year period, research showed that management-initiated QCs have fewer members, solve more work-related QC problems, and solve their problems much faster than self-initiated QCs. However, the effect of QC initiation on problem-solving performance disappears after controlling QC size. A high attendance of QC meetings is related to lower number of projects completed and slow speed of performance in management-initiated QCs. QCs with high upper management support solve significantly more problems than those without. Active QCs had lower rate of problem-solving failure, higher attendance rate at QC meetings, and higher net savings of QC projects than inactive QCs. QC membership tends to decrease over the 3-year period. Larger QCs have a better chance of survival than smaller QCs. A significant drop in QC membership is a precursor of QC failure. The sudden decline in QC membership represents the final and irreversible stage of the QC's demise. Attributions of quality circles problem-solving failure vary across participants of QCs, management, supporting staff, and QC members. There are 7 basic quality improvement tools that circles use: cause and effect diagrams, Pareto charts, process mapping, data gathering tools such as check sheets, graphical tools such as histograms, frequency diagrams, spot charts and pie charts, run charts and control charts, scatter plots and correlation analysis, flow charts. Student quality circles. Student quality circles work on the original philosophy of total quality management. The idea of SQCs was presented by City Montessori School, Lucknow, India at a conference in Hong Kong in October 1994. It was developed and mentored by 2 engineers of Indian Railways P.C., Bihari and Swami Das, in association with Principal Dr Juran of CMS Lucknow, India. They were inspired and facilitated by Jagdish Gandhi, who founded CMS after his visit to Japan, where he learned about Kaizen. The world's first SQC was made in CMS Lucknow with then 13-year-old student Suchita Bihari as its leader. CMS has continued to conduct international conventions on student quality circles every 2 years. After seeing its utility, educators from many countries started such circles. The World Council for Total Quality and Excellence in Education was established in 1999 with its corporate office in Lucknow and head office in Singapore. It monitors and facilitates student quality circle activities in its member countries, which number more than a dozen. SQCs are considered to be a co-curricular activity. They have been established in India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Turkey, Mauritius, Iran, UK, and USA. In Nepal, Professor Dinesh P. Shapagain has been promoting the approach through Quest Nepal since 1999. He has written a book entitled A Guidebook on Students' Quality Circle, an approach to prepare total quality people, which is considered a standard guide to promote SQCs in academia for students' personality development. See also, Kaizen, Participatory Management. References